Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. A manhunt is now on for a 39-year-old man believed to have killed a 9-year-old girl in the community of Joblin, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Friday. As Jamila Maitland reports, the police are urging the public to allow the law to take its course.
A family that was once close ripped apart. There was not a dry eye in sight at 50C Joblin in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, as family, friends and residents tried to come to terms with the tragic death of 9-year-old Kelsey Ferrigan.
The whole community agreed to that.
It was here that she was last seen alive on Friday with her younger sibling. Now, several hours later, her body would have been found stuffed in a barrel. The residents are alleging that she was sexually assaulted. The suspect, a known sex offender, and a family friend in this close-knit residence.
He is Giovanni Ellis, otherwise called Coolie, also known as Coolie Man. And we are inviting him to turn himself in no later than 5 p.m. today.
According to head of the Area 5 Police, Assistant Commissioner Christopher Phillips, Giovanni Ellis was recently released on bail for an assault case involving a child.
He was out on bail about 10 days ago. He was released, and it really brings up, issues that we need to confront as a society when we talk about persons with sexual offense records and how we manage those persons who are expected to reintegrate into the society.
TVJ News understands that Ellis does not live on Joblin and was only staying there with family since being out on bail. And our news team also learned that this wasn't his first offense either. He was arrested and charged in 2013 for the sexual assault of a female relative.
She was 12 years old at the time.
Was how old?
12. When she got raped by him. He knocked her out with a post order. We went to court and him get 3-year sentence. We never expect him to come out back and continue doing these things.
And although his family was forgiving then, this time around, they've publicly banished him. While acknowledging the role that the suspect's family has played in assisting the police so far, Member of Parliament Olivia Grange is appealing to residents to allow the security forces to do its job.
Jungle justice never solves a problem. I understand how they feel, I understand the emotion, I understand the anger, because I'm angry. But the law should take its course.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.